First, the top news headlines. All 4 accused in rape murder of Telangana veterinarian killed in encounter while trying to flee. IED blast rocks Imphal's Chingmairong, no casualties. And anti-CAB agitation intensified in Assam, Bandh called on December 9th. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with you. Let's have the news in details. All the 4 accused in the rape and murder of a 26-year-old veterinary doctor in Telangana last week were killed in an encounter in the early hours today, police said. An official of the Hyderabad Police Commissionerate who confirmed the incident said the encounter took place around 3:30 a.m. under a bridge on the Bengaluru-Hyderabad National Highway near Chatanpalli village at Shatnagar, as per a media report. This is the same place where the accused had committed the crime on the night of November 27, and the charred body of the victim was found the next morning. All 4, Muhammad Ali alias Muhammad Arif, Jolu Shiva, Jolu Naveen Kumar and Chintakunta Chena Keshavalu, had been taken to Chatanpalli to reconstruct the scene of the crime. The police were questioning them about how they had committed the murder after raping the veterinarian at Shamshabad, where the accused allegedly attacked the cops and tried to run away from the spot. The Hyderabad police arrested the 4 accused on November 29 within 36 hours of the crime. They were produced in the Shatnagar court on November 30 and were remanded to 14-day judicial custody the same evening. On Wednesday, the court had granted a 7-day police custody of the accused. The police took them into custody on Thursday and had been interrogating them since then. While the Telangana government had constituted a special fast-track court at Mahabubnagar for the speedy disposal of the case, the Hyderabad police formed 7 special teams to investigate into the case in all angles. Unidentified persons exploded a low-intensity improvised explosive device in front of Vishal Mega Mart building located at Chingmairong, Imphal today around 6 a.m. No one was injured in the explosion. According to a report received from the blast site, it was learned that a woman sweeper working in the shopping mall found a suspicious object inside a can, which was later turned out to be the IED wrapped in a black polythene bag. She immediately distanced herself from the object, which later went off. A team of Imphal West Commando and Bomb Disposal Squad arrived at the scene and investigated the incident. The All Chutia Students' Union announced a 12-hour Assam Bandh from 5 a.m. on December 9 in the protest against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. General Secretary Mahen Bora said to Northeast Now over the phone that the people of Assam would not succumb to the centre's conspiracy. Bora further alleged that the BJP-led central government has been planning to implement CAB from a very long time. However, on December 4, the Union Cabinet gave a nod to the bill, which itself speaks about the conspiracy hatched by the BJP, he alleged. There are now conspiring to pass the bill in the parliament, he also said. Notably, the BJP is adamant to pass the bill despite massive protests not only across Assam but also in several states of the Northeast. Meanwhile, even as the organizations protested, BJP Assam Unit President Ranjit Kumar Das claimed that the intensity of anti-CAB protests had calmed down in the state. HDFC Savers Manipur, in collaboration with State Blood Cell, NHM, Janims Blood Bank, Porompat, organized a voluntary blood donation camp and campaign at Janims Blood Bank today. The program was held in connection with All India Blood Donation Drive 2019, being held under the theme Towards a Stronger India, Let's Make Every Drop Count. Cluster head of HDFC Bank, Rajan Wahengbam said that the bank was taking its social responsibility by organizing such programs.
Sahi khudingi akhoi December thasida khoi blood donation camp je akhoi pan India oina ada Manipur su HDFC gi oina aina part si lauraga tawjai khoi bank ta business tawbata natana akhoi gi social service ta su akhoi gi khwaidagi nungaiba numit amo oina ngasi gi numit si akhoi society da aidi banker sing sigi maikai dagi society gi karigumba khara tawjabadu masi ai yamna haraujai aduba ngasi mayamna lakchu yamna nungaijai.
Let's take a short commercial break. Coming up next, free health camp and treatment marks Foundation Day of Ayush Care Clinic, Sagolban.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan-India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Admission Notice 2020. Heritage Convent, Oripok Bachaspati Laikai and Naramthong Kholem Laikai, Imphal, Manipur. Admission open for preparatory, nursery and KG. Minimum age for preparatory 3+ years, for nursery 4+ years, for KG 5+ years as on 1st of April 2020. Application form available from the school office at Heritage Convent Campus 1 at Oripok Bachaspati Laikai on 8th of December, Sunday 2019, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Choosing the right school for your child is one of the most important decisions you will make in your child's life. Come, be a part of the Heritage family. Prospectus will be issued against production of birth certificate. For further details, please contact Heritage Convent.
Hi, wedding sets karayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sige sets anong yorok ni ma'am. Imbi.
Sisam fazadro. Sisam fazadro che. Yam elegance ui.
Mobile furniture wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Thare to disi korse. Bhaiya che selfie korse. Se booking tak senjar.
Welcome back after the break. Ayush Care Clinic, located at Sagolban Nipra Menjam Muirang Lerak, celebrated its second Foundation Day at the clinic today. Associate Professor of DM College of Science, Dr. R.K. Chandrakumar, and former MLA of Sagolban Constituency, K.H. Loken Singh, presided the function. A one-day free health camp and treatment under Ayush was held, during which free medicines were also distributed to mark the day. CMO Ayush Care Clinic, Dr. Mary Narembam, at the event spoke on various health benefits under Ayush treatment.
Lifestyle diseases, diabetes, hypertension, lifestyle, and prevention Ayush system how would I know about Yahweh, but Taki, Bogotamas, and Layang Babu, Kyoto, and Natana, Kamaito, and Tokani Habits, Ayushina, Mayekchum, Marikchum, Tapangam, and see, this is the advantage from the allopathy side.
National Florence Nightingale awardee Maibam Ranita was felicitated by the Indian Nursing Council to congratulate her achievement during a formal function held at Hotel Euros in New Delhi last night. Talking at the event, Maibam Ranita mentioned about the vital roles played by nurses in the society and further stressed on the building of cordial relationship with the patients while treating them. Dr. Sangeeta Takhelambam from Manipur was awarded by the Talash Lifestyle magazine for playing a pivotal role in the campaign for India integration with Northeast during a function organized by Delhiites last evening on the theme India integration with Northeast states at Rear Lawn in Bikaner House, New Delhi. The unsung heroes of Northeast were honored at the event. As a part of the event, traditional Manipuri Taugal dance and a documentary on the work done by Helping Hand for the Northeast people in Delhi were presented. The evening was also mesmerized by a fashion show by designer Rosie Aluwalia. Former Nodal Officer of Northeast and Special Commissioner of Police Delhi Robin Hibu and several others attended the event. A one-day national seminar on Bengal and Northeast region green innovators and social entrepreneurs was held at the conference hall of NIT Langol, Imphal, Manipur today. The seminar was jointly organized by MSME Development Institute, Kolkata and National Institute of Technology, Manipur, under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Government of India and supported by MSME DI Imphal, MSME TC Imphal and NSCI NSIC Imphal. Hundreds of entrepreneurs from various sectors attended the seminar. Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646. Private Sports Academy Guwahati is organizing a training cum trial selection under All Manipur Football Association at Kuman Lampak from 7th of December to 11th of December 2019. For the session 2020, students between class 3 to 8 may kindly visit Private Sports Academy to avail proper education and sports facilities. Private Sports Academy Guwahati for Manipur branch is open for players studying between class 3 to 8. 30 professional football players between 18 to 23 years old will be recruited with Rs 5,000 to 30,000 as monthly salary. For online submission, mail us at abungcha542@gmail.com. Also contact us at 700-5235-638 or 8753943830.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Hau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohanba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12th exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Thursday sought the centre's help to clear a bill to detect illegal migrants. In his meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the latter's office in New Delhi, Zoramthanga urged Modi to clear the Mizoram Maintenance of Household Register Bill 2019, which was passed by the State Assembly on March 18, an official source said. The bill, which seeks to detect foreigner and check the influx of illegal Bangladeshi immigrants in the state, is awaiting assent from the state governor. The governor has referred the bill to the centre. Zoramthanga told the Prime Minister that the bill, when enacted, would help the government in maintaining law and order and protection of the state's boundary, sources said. The Mizoram Chief Minister also urged the Prime Minister to make arrangement for creating a separate cadre for Mizoram in all India services. He told the Prime Minister that separate cadre in IAS, IFS and IPS would help in expediting government functioning in Mizoram, citing that the existing fund allocation to donor ministry and Northeastern Council is pathetically not up to the mark. Zoramthanga requested the Prime Minister to raise fund allocation in both the ministries to usher in development in the entire Northeast region. The Assam Gana Parishad AGP yesterday wrote a letter to Union Home Minister Amit Shah demanding that the centre ensure constitutional safeguards for the indigenous people of the state before the bringing in of the Citizenship Amendment Bill. This came on the heels of the AGP leadership facing severe criticism across state for its soft stance towards CAB. Even simmering dissents were evident inside the party, with several district units expressing their displeasure with the party leadership. The three AGP ministers, Atul Bora, Keshap Mahanta and Pani Bhusan Chowdhury, in the BJP-led state government came under the line of fire for maintaining a safe side on the bill. However, senior partymen were openly speaking against the contentious bill. Party President Atul Bora yesterday called an emergency meeting of party leaders and decided to send the letter to Amit Shah. However, senior leaders Prafulla Kumar Mahanta, Brindaban Goswami and Ramendra Narayan Kalita gave the crucial meeting a skip. Mahanta has been vehemently opposing the bill and had earlier blamed Bora for adopting a weak stand. Authorities in central China say 7 people have been killed and 13 injured in an explosion at a fireworks factory in Hunan province. The Liuyang city government says the blast occurred on Wednesday morning due to illegal production. The government says factory managers have been detained for questioning and a team formed to investigate the incident. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal today congratulated weightlifter Siddhan Gogoi for bagging a gold medal at the ongoing 13th South Asian Games in Nepal. Gogoi bagged a gold medal in the men's weightlifting 61 kg category yesterday. The weightlifter had lifted a total weight of 264 kg. It may be mentioned that Gogoi, who is training at Pune's Army Sports Institute ASI, had earlier brought accolades to his home state by winning medals in various national and international weightlifting tournaments. Apart from Gogoi, 3 Indian weightlifters also bagged medals on the first day of the weightlifting competitions at the 13th South Asian Games yesterday. Now let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Seminar studies Northeast security paradigm. Redrafted Citizenship Amendment Bill may exclude 3 Northeastern states. Imphal Free Press. Insurgencies in Northeast curb with shift in security policies measures, says Governor. NSCN-IM has active involvement in extortion. Amit Shah's consultations on Citizenship Amendment Bill meaningless, says CPI. The People's Chronicle. Citizenship Bill to be introduced in Lok Sabha on December 9th. No Citizenship Amendment Bill in 3 Northeast states, partially in other 3. Rajnath assures Chief Minister Biren to protect state. Manpack to place Amit Shah meeting report today. Citizenship Amendment Bill, Naga issue spice up National Seminar on Northeast Security. The Morning Bell. Amit Shah's assurance on Citizenship Bill unreliable, says CPI, gears up for protest. Citizenship Amendment Bill against democracy and constitution, says CPIM. Manpack to believe details of talk with Amit Shah today. No Citizenship Amendment Bill in 3 Northeast states, partially in other 3. Draft bill silent on fate of Sikkim. The All Manipur Christian Organization appeals for peaceful coexistence. Assam Rifle organizes National Security Seminar on Notice. Manipur Mail. Citizenship Amendment Bill will bring about existential threat, says Garo students. Bahujan Samaj Party wants Citizenship Amendment Bill to be sent to PC.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. All 4 accused in rape murder of Telangana veterinarian killed in encounter while trying to flee. IED blast rocks Imphal's Chingmairong, no casualties. Anti-CAB agitation intensified in Assam, Bandh called on December 9. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.